Growing up, I sold my soul a good price.
You said you want me to. I know it seems like I don't want to be your boy.
Hey guys, it's NICKBISON. Welcome back to my channel. So I know I haven't been making videos for some time now. Well, let me take that back. I haven't been posting videos for some time because I had this mentality that like all my videos had to be like 100% perfect, which I am now realizing is not the case. Here I am posting. So I posted this look on my Snapchat story and all my friends were commenting. So I decided to make a video on it, so keep watching. So I'm gonna start off with the Urban Decay palette Troublemaker using the color Relish. And this will act as my transition color, so I'm going to put it all over my crease. To do this, I'm using a Stila brush that I got from Sephora. So now I'm going to be buffing that out with a brush from BH Cosmetics. And now I'm going to go in with my Tarte In Bloom palette and use the color Leader. And I'm just going to put that all over my lid. So now I'm going to use the Urban Decay palette again and use the color Knockout this time, just to make the lid a little bit brown. And I'm going to go back in with my Tarte palette and use the color Activist, and I'm going to put that on top of Knockout just to make it a little bit darker. So here I'm just putting a little bit more of the crease color just to make it more prominent. Now I'm using the color 7 and 7 on the Urban Decay palette and I'm going to blend that out on my crease. So I'm finishing off with some eyelashes from House of Lashes, and these ones are called Iconic Light. So I'm just going to go finish off my look with my hair and everything, and I'll be right back. So I'm back and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy.
She won't get the she won't get the she won't get the she won't get the get the banana get the banana get the banana get the banana she won't get the she won't get the banana Charlie, I'm in love with a sick body, with a sick body.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tune into my next video, hopefully soon. Bye!
Come get the banana.